Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram feedback required error. So let's get into it. Number 1. Check your internet connection. Weak data or Wi-Fi signal can also impact your experience on Instagram. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data to troubleshoot whether or not the issue is related to connectivity. Number 2. Clear app cache. To clear your cache, open Settings. Select Apps and Notification. In the list, find and select Instagram. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache, and hopefully this will make your device error-free. Number 3. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram. Long press on the Instagram app icon and select Uninstall from the context menu that rolls out. Go to Play Store or App Store, search Instagram in the search box and press Enter. Install the app on your device and log into the account. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.